Can you describe for us, to give us a mental picture, how big the pile of 125 million pesos in cold cash is? Ipa-describe.
Sorry sir ha, pero dili kayo ko well-versed sa mga
Well-versed.
measurement. Pero
We will help you.
nakasulod siya sa, nakalagay siya sa box.
Okay.
ah,
Yeah, okay.
Na nakabandal tag 1
One-
million ang isa ka bundle nga nakaputos, nakabalot og cellophane na silyo pa, silyado pa. Tama po.
Sinasabi mo, ma'am, na hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Tama po ba? Di ba? Now, I will show you a simulated representation of 125 million pesos. Sinabi mo 1,000 peso bill, di ba? Show that to the screen, please.
I'm sorry.
You tell the public, ma'am, if yung nakita mong 125 million pesos in cold cash.
Your Honor,
Wait. Not done.
Counsel, to finish the question,
Okay.
Attorney
Mhm.
Bacuel.
Now, can you please confirm if the cold cash you saw 125 million pesos, do they look like that?
Your Honor.
Counsel,
Before the prosecution proceeds with the question, may we just ask as to the source of the photo and how it was generated and produced?
yes, counsel, either it is distorted because the 1,000 peso bills look bigger.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Is this AI, Your
I mean,
Honor?
Yes, of course. That is simulated.
Okay.
Is
Because
this
we don't-
AI?
Wait. Because we don't have 125 million pesos in cold cash. So we had to resort to technology.
Is that, Your Honor,
um,
artificial intelligence? Is this AI
Yes.
generated?
Yes.
Counsels, if you will allow the presiding officer. Ma'am
Oh.
Gina, sabi niyo nakalagay po sa kahon, tigi 1,000 bundle. Ilang kahon po?
Dalawa, Your Honor.
Gaano kalaki po yung kahon? Gamitin niyo po yung kamay niyo. Gaano kataas po? Gaano kataas? Gaano kataas po? Yung kamay niyo po sa baba, pakipat yan para makita po namin. Ganyan kataas at ganito kalapad? Kasing lapad po ng witness stand? 125 million po yan. Dalawang kahong ganyan.
Opo, Your Honor.
Binilang niyo po ba? Tinanggal niyo po ba mula sa kahon o hindi na?
Tinanggal po sa kahon, Your Honor.
Pagkatanggal niyo sa kahon, binalik niyo ba sa kahon?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Saan niyo na nilagay?
Nilagay ko po sa aking 4 na bag.
Ito po yung duffel bag.
Parang traveling bag po, Your Honor, na oblong.
Traveling bag, 4 pong gano'n.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.